Hello everyone. Okay, I'm back again. This is November and also we just passed the Thanksgiving and also my special day in November. So today I got 3 boxes from some of my friends and I would like to unbox together with you in case you see my video clip, and this is the one. I'm not sure I can continue like the whole clip together, or I just need to do like EP1, EP2 or EP3. Anyway, just have fun together. I don't know what it is and which one is from who. Just kind of like random unbox. Okay, I'm gonna go by the first. I don't want to see your name. So, what is this one? Okay, this little box is like a liquid. Wow. How okay. All right, all of my friend. What is this? Yves Rocher, okay. I can see the French Boulanger Chevoulas and Footage Healthy Scrub. Oh, there is this is Thai language. Okay. It's for hair. Okay. I think who is this? Who is the one who sent this? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, it smells like fruit. Raspberry. Okay. Yes, it's the rinsing vinegar with raspberry. You okay, you know what, actually I don't pay attention about my body or any kind of beauty, just do anything I can do, but this is the first product in my life and I think I need to contact the one who sent me. She must be a very, very nice and beautiful woman, but it smells very good. And it's gonna be one of the thing like life experience once in my lifetime. Luckily, she sent me a hint. It's about the hair. Otherwise, I could think it's something to drink, like vitamin drink. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, you know me very well. Thank you. Do I comb my hair today? Yeah, I did. All right, the next box. Okay. This one, second box. She sent me and I got it yesterday. I know who is this person, but okay, I don't know what is inside. Okay, let's see. Okay. Even though I'm not the girly person, you know. Anyone has the idea about this? Jelly mask. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa. Ah! 3 of them. Okay. Wrinkle improvement and brightening. I think it's time. Yeah, I use it. Okay, the facial mask to get the nice skin. Um, I last time I bought two of them, and then it's still one left. It's good. It's very good, but I'm just a lazy person, you know. So these two person, they don't know that they sent me this in the same time. I think that this is the sign for me to take care of myself. Okay, okay, I'm gonna be maybe the mission is I will be more beautiful on Christmas and New Year. This is the New Year solution. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And the last box is said, okay, it could be break. It's quite big. Oh, handle with care, actually. Wow, I just feel like yeah, this is why people order something online. When you get the box, and this is like Santa Claus coming to town, or you get the birthday gift, and yeah, it's happy time. I can feel that now. You know, normally I get only one or around, maybe one, or maybe just like get together for birthday dinner, but never get 3 boxes in the same time like this. So I just understand. Thank you. And for the third box, okay. Whoa! Can you see this? I see the little bear, and I see the mermaid. Ah! Ta-da! Hey, the back is so cute. Wow! Ooh, ooh. Okay, the bear and the green and red Christmas gift. Wow. Ah. Whee. Yay. If you know me, yeah, I love drinking coffee, and this is cute. Look. The person who picked this thermal for me, just because he said he's a young boy, not young boy, young man, I could say that. He said he picked this one because I wear glasses. That's why he think this is the one for me. And actually in the picture it's not clear, no, but wow. Huh. Oh wow. It's perfect gift. I can enjoy coffee, more enjoy, and think about the person who sent me this gift. Okay, and that's the best of my day. Actually, 1 box I got yesterday, like I mentioned, and 2 boxes I got it today. And I would like to share my happiness to everyone, my friends, and anyone who see this video clip. And even though Thailand we don't have Thanksgiving, but yeah, this is how I feel like. Thank you to all of you, and wow. Okay, and today the last one is also from my son. You know, he went to the restaurant, and maybe the dinner or lunch is the price is kind of like hit the budget, so the restaurant give this to him. It's a koi kia, like I think you can read it. Strong sriracha chili sauce, with the hot sauce. Oh, okay. Maybe this is me. That's why he said, Mom, this is for you. It's special because he carry around the whole day just to give me this potato chip with the hot sauce. Okay. All right. Today is a happy day and happy Thanksgiving, and also Christmas is coming. Hopefully you will be happy with me, and I'm sending you the good feeling to all of you too. Love you, miss you, and bye-bye.